everybody, a warm welcome to all of you. Today we all are here to celebrate our 7th annual day. As always, as a part of Maple Bear, please welcome our 2 anchors, our 2 kids who would be performing and anchoring in front of you. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to all of our guests, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. We welcome you all to our 7th annual day celebration. How different is this afternoon? Indeed, very wonderful. The vibes around. It's a beautiful tale that is truly unforgettable. Dear audience, you will yourself discover as the color of this event will enlist us all together. Well, I, Diana, and I, Arjun, shall be your host of the day. Every day holds a surprise for us, but today we have lots of surprise for the beautiful audience present here. Do you know, Tiara, today is an important day for all of us. First of all, I like to congratulate everybody, including me, on successfully completing 7 years. No doubt, when one Maple with Daddy Rose spending year by year, just because we are Maple a family. I am sure not only me, but all the parents, guests present here, I look forward every year and eagerly wait for our annual day celebration. We as a Maple family would like to welcome a chief guest, Debrati ma'am, members on his day from Lamplighted ceremony. May God bless us all and always help us achieve our milestones.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छामि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Good afternoon to our esteemed guests, principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Sadhya Gupta. I am here to express my views on behalf of my entire class in a Maple dedication team. First, I want to speak. Maple Bear Canadian Preschool has become our identity. Yes, Maple Bear Canadian Preschool has helped children. Every class of this school brings knowledge and that defines their identity. Our school not only given us knowledge, but also in aspects of studies, but also given us awareness, skills and activities. We are born in same way, we are grow in same way. But what makes us different? It's a guidance which we will take in whole life. Our school is knowledge, but this school is the future part of the child. Our teachers not only taught us things, but also taught us things that are right and wrong. Our school has were separate. On this day we want a blessing, and as we move forward in Congress, goodbye, goodbye, I claim I have to fly. Our time to get the race, coming to an end. Goodbye, goodbye, and we will share the night. It's only over, it's only being against the wind, my door. Every day's need a snow. You never know what tomorrow brings. Whatever comes today, everything will be okay. Once we have another chance to love and to sing. Goodbye, goodbye, we can say goodnight. I-L-O-V-E-I-O-U. I love you. Arjun, it's indeed a great day, all are soaked in celebration mood. So let's welcome our tiny tot from nursery who will grace today's evening with a prayer. Please put a hands together for nursery kids.
अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरम् अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरम् अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेः अखिलं मधुरम् मधुराधिपतेः अखिलं मधुरम् वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरम् वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरं चलितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं चलितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेः अखिलं मधुरम् मधुराधिपतेः अखिलं मधुरम् वेणोर्मधुरो रेणोर्मधुरः पाणिर्मधुरः पादौ मधुरौ नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेः अखिलं मधुरम् गीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरम् गीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं सुप्तं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेः अखिलं मधुरम् मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्
That was a marvelous performance. Arjun, I am sure today the high beach are gonna and no large delphine dance music can play. Today we Maple Bear Delhi Road students will present a play in front of you and it will be our theme. The Vaivago, a play inspired by Mahashweta Devi book, Nin Witching Nin. The play is about a village girl named Maina who is as old as my friend. The story is about Moina who lives in the village with her parents and siblings, and she also works in a house. Moina was happy because she lived in a beautiful village surrounded with hills. Sad at the same time because she could not go to school, she could not read and write, and she was with many questions in her mind which has no answers. This story is about not only one Moina, are cutting many Moinas are there. Maybe any Moina living near you. Do you know any Moina? If you find any Moina, will you help her? There really being a girl seems to be so difficult. To let us know more about it, please put a hashtag Bhavya from Junior KG who will tell us about how does she feel being a girl. I always thank God that He created me a girl, not just because I love to wear bangles, dupatta or makeup, but more than hardworking, responsible, efficient and dedicated. I am daughter for my parents, sister for my siblings, responsible citizen for my country and a role model for my generation. Hi, I'm Bhavya from Junior KG class. Being a girl is a right. People are very lucky to have girls in their family. I may not be the girl that everyone wants, but at least I'm not that girl that everyone has. Gone are the days when a girl or woman would just do house or chores. With time, while a woman is getting bigger in society by making India proud, by doing simply good in their respective fields such as sports, business, music, or working for peace and charity. One such example, and my idol was Henry Pa, born in village in Gariba, belonged to a family with modern needs. As a young girl, she went on to become the first woman to graduate in her village. She created a benchmark by getting listed in Guinness Book of World Records for being the first Indian woman to reach Mount Everest. Being a girl, she proved that a woman that can excel in any field given as she has power and enthusiasm. Girls are pillars of society. At least, would like to say, continuation of life is not possible without girls. Daughters are flat, daughter for double and bloom. As a daughter for life. Thank you. So let's meet our Moina, a sneak peek in her life on how far she will go. So get ready for delight excitement. So let's gear up for an outstanding beginning of the function. Please welcome Junior KG kids with a huge round of applause.
Long as I can remember. I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sails, the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? The line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
That was ready for type performance. Now let's see what next will happen. Moina, 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 what are you doing there? I'm looking for you everywhere. But why, Mom? Because it is time to sleep. Let's go inside. It's already so late. I am tired. Mother, why these stars come at night only? Why we sleep at night only? Why, Mom? Why these stars are so small and moon is so big? Oh God, again this started. I don't know, Moina. But why, Mom? Why you don't know? Arjuna, curious Moina to know everything. Yeah, it's not only about Moina. I feel all girls are so curious to know everything. So let's welcome Arthur from Junior KG, who will share his views on curiosity. Please put a hands together for Arthur. Curiosity is the engine of achievement. It is fuel for discovery, inquiry, and learning. Hello everyone, I am Arthur from Junior KG class. Today I will share my views on curiosity. Creativity grows out of two things: curiosity and imagination. As said by Albert Einstein, the important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. In Maple we believe that curiosity is the hunger of human mind. We are explorative, having new experiences every day. In our school, we are always motivated to ask questions. In Maple has developed the curiosity. That's why we, the students of Maple are different. Every person has an idol. My inspiration is one such famous personality, a woman named Kalpana Chawla, with curiosity in her heart and mind. She made her path and became astronaut and first Indian woman to go to space. Her first space mission began on November 19, 1997. She was in space for 336 hours during research space mission. She died on 1st February in 2003 in Space Shuttle Columbia disaster. She was a strong woman having strong thoughts. Some women choose to follow men and some choose to follow their dreams. If you are wondering where to go, just remember, start dreaming with open eyes, work hard and achieve your goals. Thank you. That was marvelous there, and it's true that curiosity is one of the feminine bravery. Do you know, Arjun, curiosity is one of the most permanent characteristics of the vigorous intellect. So let's call our small question mark from toddler having lots of questions filled with curiosity in their hearts. Please give a huge round of applause.
सीखा मटकना, अभी अभी दांतों ने सीखा चमकना, लगता है जैसे अभी अभी इस दिल ने सीखा दिल से हंसना। अभी अभी बालों ने सीखा है खुलना, अभी अभी दागों ने सीखा है धुलना, लगता है जैसे अभी अभी इस दिल ने सीखा दिल से हंसना। करने लगी खिड़कियाँ, करने लगी कुर्सियाँ, करने लगा है हर नजारा। करने लगी तितलियाँ, करने लगी चिड़ियाँ, करने लगा है हर नजारा। खुशियों ने सीखा छलकना, अभी अभी सीखा कमर में लचकना, लगता है जैसे अभी अभी इस दिल ने सीखा दिल से हंसना। करने लगी बिंदियाँ, करने लगी चोटियाँ, करने लगा है हर नजारा। Thank you, toddlers. You robbed the stage. Arjun, let's see what happened next with Moina. Let's see.
Mother, 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 listen to me. Mother, I want to study and go to school. Why I can't go to school? In my class, my teacher respected me and appreciated me as I performed well in the class always. Do teachers love us? Yes, they are like beam of light in darkness. Mother, I want to study. Even my brothers go to school. Why can't I? We are poor and girls are not supposed to go to school. But why, Mom? Where is my father? When he will come? He has gone to city in search of work. If my father got the work, then I can go to school. I don't know. You go to Babulalji. Their work is pending. Okay, mother. And listen, on coming back, say thank you to Babulaji for giving us rice. But why, mother? Why should I say thank you to him? I always do their housework. They never said thank you to me. Why should I? Oh God, Moina! Don't say to him thank you. Just go. Just go now. My life has become hell. God help me. Why partiality between siblings? Have you noticed Mona works so hard but still want to study? Really, girls have so much strength. And to let us know more about it, please put your hands together for Rishi from Junior KG. Strength does not come from winning your struggles. Develop your strength. And when you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, this is called strength. Hello everybody, my name is Rishi from Junior KG class. Today I am here to convey my thought regarding strength that every girl has. First of all, there are many obstacles that girls faces. We live in a country where women are given the status of goddess, and on the other hand, they are not given the status of equality. As we live in a male-dominating society, girls in the society have faced endless hurdles. And some examples are city system and gender discrimination, whereas girls are expected to do all the household chores and are burdened with domestic work. There is wide gap between dreams and achievement, and one such woman who surpassed everything and should again solos medal and see Mary Kom, an Indian Olympic boxer. She is the only woman to become boxing champion, winning record of 6 times, and the only boxer to win a championship medal. Her least achievements are endless. She is also a member of parliament and a proud mother. We all must get inspiration from her, as hard work is strength within you can make you achieve anything. At last, I want to say that a woman is a full circle within her, has the power to create, nurture and transform. Thank you. That was really inspiring. How fearless are girls in today's world. Be fearless, be strong, be beautiful, and to spread this message. Let's call our Junior KG kids. Please give them huge round of applause.
लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँव पे छाले हैं सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग। बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है खा गई जंग, न्याय के मंदिर भी हो गए भंग। जमाना चले ना चले मेरे संग, बोलूंगी हल्ला आवाज दबंग। बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। छोटे जिस्म पर मरहम उमंग, लाश नहीं हूँ मन जिंदा पतंग। दिल में उम्मीदें और खुशियों के रंग, हर आंसू बनेगा एक नई तरंग। हाँ बेखौफ आजाद है बहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है बहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। दीवारें ऊंची है गलियां है तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग। पाँव पे छाले सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग। बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे।
That was really a food tappy performance. True, now let's see what will happen next with Moina. Hello ma'am, why you always read books? You are that YY girl? Yes, I read books because it has all the answers of your YY. But why are you so sad? I don't want to work, I want to study. But my mother said I am a girl and we are poor, so I can't go to school. I am feeling helpless. Okay Moina, don't worry, I will teach you. Really? Yes, but you have to come to school in morning. I take classes in morning only. But in morning I have lots of work. Can you please take my classes in evening? Okay then, we ready from tomorrow. Tomorrow? But why not today? Today school is over, I have to go. Okay teacher, thank you. Thank you God. Did you see how happy is Moina to learn and study? How important are teachers in our life? They are the ones who educate us. Yes, students said that Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Saksha, Brahm Brahma, Taswarishi, Gurudev Maha. Moreover, did you see Moina's determination that implies for every girl sky is the limit? Now, as we all know, Moina is excited to learn and study. So, let's call our nursery kids with Moina to see how much thrilled they are. Please give them a huge round of applause.
दबी दबी सी हंसी होठों पे फंसी है, गुदगुदी कर रही हवा, हल्ला मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। करने दे ख्वाबों को बदमाशियां, चलने दे नजरों की मनमानियां, ढूंढे चलो कुछ ठिकाने नए, होने दे पगली पगली सी नादानियां। होश में रहना है क्यों, रहने से होगा क्या, बेहोशियों में है मजा। बचकानी हरकतें जो होती है होने दे, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। Na 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 yeah, na 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 oh, na 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 yeah, na na oh। मौसम ने भी की है कुछ कोशिशें, होने लगी देखो ये बारिशें, सर पे चढ़ा है ये कैसा असर, दौड़े रफ्तार में दिल की सब धड़कने, धुन कोई चल रही है कानों में धीमे से, रोशन है ज्यादा ये सुबह, हलचल जो हो रही है सीने में होने दे, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है।
That was really outstanding performance. Now let's see what will happen next with Moina.
Moina was fortunate to have a teacher at last who could solve most of her queries through knowledge.
Puran, come, I will teach you about my 5 senses that you are reading. Kavya, this is not your cup of tea. To the household work. Yes, you are meant to do that. No, I can read and write too. How many taste buds we have? Leave it, I will tell you. We have 4 taste buds. Sweet, sour, bitter, salty. Oh, how do you know? Amazing. I know many more things. I can tell you about famous people, about various countries and their capitals, and about our continents, oceans, and many more things. From where you got so much knowledge? I have also started studying. I also have a teacher who loves me a lot. Arjun, if you have courage to dream, then you have courage to fulfill your dream. You can achieve anything. Nothing is possible. Yes, you are right. And to know role of courage in life of girls, I would like to call Delisha from Junior KG. Please use round of applause. Courage is the one choice if we want to live our best life. When we decide that we are not strong enough to holds us back, and when we are ready to face that fear boldly, that's courage. I, Ahan Rai from Junior KG, like to convey my thoughts on courage that every girl has. Like today I'm being a boy and here before you, like expressing my thoughts on courage, but also take lots of courage. It is said that efforts and courage is not without any purpose and directions. Right till last stage of our life, there are lots of hurdles that a girl needs to cross, which require lots of courage. One such example in my idol is courageous woman late Nijamanath. Her life and heroism inspire many people. She was an Indian head person who died while saving passengers on Pan Am Flight 73, which had been hijacked by terrorists. So they shot while helping passengers escape through emergency exits. She became the youngest recipient of India's highest award, Ashoka Chakra. Every girl had Nija in her. She was a role model for many girls. At last, I would like to say, do your duty, don't let anything come in your way, never compromise any self-respect and be courageous. Thank you. These are not such as courageous female. Please give her a huge round of applause. Yes, we should. And now let's welcome our nursery kids to perform courageously amongst you all. Please give them a huge round of applause.
कहता ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल। गम मुसाफिर था जाने दे, धूप आंगन में आने दे, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल। नीचे है ठंडी सी एक धरती, कहती है आजा दौड़ेंगे। यादों के बक्सों में जिंदा सी खुशबू है, कहती है सब पीछे छोड़ेंगे। उंगलियों से कल की रेत बहने दे, आज और अभी में खुद को रहने दे। जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल। एक टुकड़ा हंसी चख ले, एक डली जिंदगी रख ले। जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल। जाने दे सिसकी थम, जाने दे इस पल की ये गुजारिश है। मरना क्यों, जी लेना बूंदों को, पी लेना तेरे ही सपनों की बारिश है। पानियों को रास्ते तू बनाने दे, रोशनी के पीछे खुद को जाने दे।
see what happens next with YY Girl.
As time passed by, Moina completed her studies and after 18 years.
Postman, postman, postman. House number 10. Yes, come in. Hello ma'am, what are you writing? Where is your favorite student? That YY girl Moina? Yes, where is she? She is now 18 years old, teaching students in school. I have heard she is teaching students to ask questions, as asking is a beginning step of learning. Oh great, I am sure because of Moina, people will call our village as YY village. I am writing a book on her. I am sure when Moina comes to know, Moina will ask me, teacher, why you are writing book on me? Why? Determination is the ability to strive for something, no matter how difficult it may be to achieve. Determination is one of the most important things that a person can be in. Hello everybody, I am Gatika from Senior KG Toda and express my thought on determination that every girl has. All creative life are made this way that to do their hard work, commitment and determination so that we can achieve our goal. One such event, my impression is Priyanka Chopra. She is an actor, dancer and singer. She was born July 18, 1982 in Jamshedpur. She scored Miss World 2000, got an opportunity came her. She gave heart and soul to its amazing career in Bollywood. She decided to take over Hollywood. She always no compromise on dreams, work hard and determined. I would like to say, real leaders are ordinary people and extraordinary determination. Thank you. Such a beautiful thought and a meaningful message as well. Yes, a student said that education gives meaning to our life. If we educate girl child, then we educate our coming generations. To best fusion girls' education, I would like to call Vyal Sharif from Senior KG. Please give him huge round of applause. Education is an essential part of living, whether it is a girl or a boy. Education has individuals to be smarter and learn new things. As a result, I am son of Senior KG standing before you. Today I will tell you the importance of education in the life of a girl child. It plays one of the important roles in women empowerment. It also helps to stop discrimination based on gender. Education is the first step to give women the power to choose way of life she wants to live. A such example and my ideal is Dr. Kiran Bedi. She was the first Indian woman to run politics as a police advisor to Secretary General of UN. She also was junior tennis champion. She earned a degree in law and even did her PhD. She started the service in 1975. She remained in service for 35 years. She was the current governor of Pondicherry. She is an all-rounder. See the power of education, and that is why girl education plays an important role in the development of our country. If the mother is well educated, then she can play an important role in shaping her children's future. There is an immense need of educating the parents about merits of girl education. The best thing is the Prime Minister has taken an good initiative towards girl education through Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Mission at last would like to say girls are the base of life. Teach them and enable them. Thank you. Thank you, Van. That was a very wonderful performance. We speak a lot, we hear a lot about girl education, but why we don't imply? You agree or don't agree, but that's just plain fact of a society. It's time for action, it's time to imply. Keeping this in mind, let's call our junior KG kids for a terrific dance performance. Please give a huge round of applause.
One teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. But things did not remain the same. Women were flogged. People were killed. And our beautiful dreams turned into nightmares. Education went from being a right to being a crime. When my world suddenly changed, my priorities changed too. I had two options. One was to remain silent and wait to be killed. And the second was to speak up and then be killed. I chose the second one. The terrorists tried to stop us. But neither their ideas nor their bullets could win. We survived. And since that day, our voices have grown louder and louder. Why is it that countries which we call strong are so powerful in creating wars, but are so weak in bringing peace? Why is it that giving guns is so easy, but giving books is so hard? Why is it that making tanks is so easy, but building schools is so hard? We are living in the modern age, and we believe that nothing is impossible. And today, I'm very happy that we are together fighting for an important cause. I'm here to stand up for their rights, to raise their voice. It is not time to pity them. It is time to take action, so it becomes the last time that we see a child deprived of education. We all need to contribute. Me, you, we. It is our duty. Let us become the first generation that decides to be the last, that sees empty classrooms, lost childhoods, and wasted potentials. Let this be the last time that a girl or a boy spends their childhood in a factory. Let this be the last time that a girl is forced into early child marriage. Let this be the last time that a child loses life in war. Let this be the last time that we see a child out of school. Let this end with us. Let's begin this ending together, today, right here, right now.
What more to say? What more to hear? Speechless. That was really fantastic. We both will take leave now. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you for motivating us. Thank you for patiently giving your attention. Over to you, Anisha ma'am.
And now we would like to welcome our senior KG batch. Please give them a huge round of applause.
फंसा है एक कमरे में नीला।
एक कमरे में रुका गुलाबी बैंगनी
के इंतजार में दीवारें शायद बड़ी हो रही रंगों के व्यवहार में।
कैसे खेले हम होली, कैसे रंग दे तुझे प्यार से, जब तक खुद हम ना जोड़े जो टूट रहा
दीवार से। तो आओ
गीत गाओ, अपने बाएं हाथ को दाएं से मिलाओ। तो आओ हाथ बढ़ाओ,
दिलों के ताले खोल दो, ये दीवारें गिराओ।
किसने ये नियम बनाए, किसने है हमको सिखाया,
किसने हमको आदिकाल से फर्क का फर्क पढ़ाया।
किसने है हमको बांटा, किसने फायदा दिखाया,
किसने हमको खुद चलकर अपनी फांसी पर लटकाया। अपने ही हाथ काट रहे किसी और की मंजूरी पे।
रंग ये जो दौरे सिमट गए, टूटेंगे हम कमजोरी से।
तो आओ गीत गाओ, अपने बाएं हाथ को दाएं से मिलाओ।
हाथ बढ़ाओ,
दिलों के ताले खोल दो, ये दीवारें गिराओ। चलो मोड़ दे छोड़ राहों को, नफरतों को दे शिकस्त, मिटा दे झूठी दूरियां, रंगों को करे स्वतंत्र।
खुल के जिए सब साथ में,
हर अपना खुद सवार है, अहम को अपने छोड़ कर साथ बैठे कुछ वक्त गुजारे।
जो ये सारे रंग अब मिल जाएंगे, खुशी के गीत बन जाएंगे।
कुदरत ने था जैसा बनाया, वही श्वेत फिर बन पाएंगे। फिर खेलेंगे खुल के, रंग देंगे तुझको प्यार में, जाने क्यों अब तक रुके रहे एक दूजे के इंतजार में।
तो आओ गीत गाओ,
अपने बाएं हाथ को दाएं से मिलाओ।
तो आओ
हाथ बढ़ाओ, दिलों के ताले खोल दो, ये दीवारें गिराओ।
दीवारें ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों। हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नु मौज में रहने दे ना दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों। है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इसे झूमने दे अपनी बीत दे। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ झुमके। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे या फिक्रां नु छड्ड के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ झुमके। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे या फिक्रां नु छड्ड के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नु नचने दे। बात तेरी छोटी छोटी सोच क्यों है जी, ओहो बाजी। हो उखड़े उखड़े क्यों खड़े जी, हंस तो हंस देगी दुनिया भी, हाँ जी। ओ आए जो ऑन द फ्लोर कुड़ी तो खूब मचाए शोर, तू भी झूम लेना इसकी बीट ते। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ढूंढके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे या फिक्रां नु छड्ड के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, नचने दे।